just fade away. With or out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through what I have lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days I take for granted. We fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged. Fight is cold and love is tragic.
Hello, my beautiful ladies over there, and hello everybody. Thank you for turning on this video. For all the women over there, housewives, lovely, pretty ladies. So I have tried to get you this look with minimal of cosmetics. So I hope you have liked it. It is very simple and yet elegant. I personally don't like carrying heavy makeup when I'm at home, when we have people gathering at home or in the festival. So I would like to keep myself subtle but elegant. So here I am today with one of those looks for you for Pongal. If you're at home and or even if you want to go out for puja or for any of the family gatherings, so you can definitely try this look out. This looks very simple, sober and elegant. If you have liked this look, then please watch the video till end and let's begin.
So I'm using Moy's LMF 48 lotion. This is long lasting moisturizing formula from Glow Derma. I'm equally applying it all over my face. Next I'm applying the concealer. This is Pro Conceal the Corrector HD High Definition Concealer from LA Girl, and the code is GC980 and the shade is Cool Tan. I'm applying it under eyes for all the dark circles for both the sides, and also I'll apply this all over my face wherever I find the dark spots under the lips and the side of the lip areas where it is a little of dark. I'll apply this into V shape, and once I am done with applying, then I'll smudge them all.
We wait up for the dawn, through the night, though our better days are gone. Made our peace, said goodbye, 'cause the further we carry on, through the fight.
Next I'm using Skin Natural Mousse material from Lakme Absolute. This is the mousse, and the shade is 05 Beach Honey. This perfectly suits my complexion. So you can see when I apply over my face, this is exactly the skin color what I carry, and I'm not using any high definition or HD mousse. It is just exactly the same skin color what I have. So I personally feel that we should look elegant with the skin tone what we have. So we just have to try to enhance our skin tone and not to change our skin tone when we are doing any kind of makeup, so that will look really natural. Next I'm using rose powder with sunscreen from Lakme, and the shade is 01 Soft Pink for light skin. So I'll just cover under eye area and a little bit of entire face. This is Rico Bro pencil. We have both the shades brown and black on the each side, and I've chosen to use brown because it gives the natural look and suits perfectly for light makeup.
We wait up for the dawn through the night, though our better days are
I'm
gone.
being very light on my hand so that it doesn't become darker. I'm just trying to fill the areas.
I've lived through all the havoc, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought hard so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged, light is cold and love is tragic. Ooh, yeah, love is tragic. Oh, no, 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 no.
I'll repeat the same on the other side as well. So this is Pure Color Intense Rich Red by Oriflame. So I'm going to use this lipstick as my eyeshadows. I'm slightly applying over the corners and I'm keeping it light on the edges. I'm using brush to smudge them properly, darker on the corners, and on the other inner corner I'm keeping it light. If you do not have a brush, you can smudge them by your fingers easily. I'm repeating the same for the other eye. Using the same brush, I'm lightly applying the same lipstick brush under my eyes, under my lower lashes, just lightly. So this is really important, no matter how hard you do your upper eyelid makeup, but it is very important to slightly have the color under your lashes. I'm using the same lipstick to contour my cheekbone and the nose area as well. So yeah, just a little, very light on the skin. I'm gonna apply on my cheekbone both the sides, and then I'm gonna smudge them off. Post this, I'll also apply on my nose area, and again I'll smudge them off. So here you saw that using just one shade of the lipstick we used as contour, we also used as our eyeshadows. So you can also use the same lipstick for your lips. So this is one of the benefit. So here you are very minimalistic with the cosmetic items, but you're getting the perfect look. This is Magnet Eyes eyeliner from Faces Canada. They have a really good brush. They are very small to carry and very small to hold upon. First, I'm just trying to make a corner specified, and then I'll fill them all and connect to the other end.
Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through what I have lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged. Light is cold and love is
This is Intense Gel Kajal, smudge proof and waterproof with intense color from Faces Canada. I'm applying this kajal on my inner water. I'm also covering the edges, but I'm keeping the lower liner very minimal.
Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache.
This is Glam On Mascara by Faces Canada, and these are beautiful. I really love the brush and the type of mascara. They are not liquidy, they are really nice and greasy. It dries very soon, and it gives you a really intense and darker shade. It is very important to apply the mascara from the start till the tip. If you just apply on the tips, it wouldn't give you the effective eyes. The look wouldn't be completed. So always make sure to apply mascara from beginning to the tip, and also make sure you apply the proper and dark mascara even on your lower eyelashes, and let them dry. Now I'm just removing all the additional loose powder. I'm just carefully removing them all. This is Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick by L'Oreal Paris, and this is a lovely color and lovely shade. The shade number is 368, also known as Matador. So this is a lovely shade for any of the parties or any of the functions. And really long lasting. So I'm not using here the lashes curler. I'm using the tip of my fingers and I'm pressing my eyelashes towards upward so that they give a curl shape. You have to do this once your eyelashes are dry. So I'm applying a little of loose powder or the rose powder on my lipstick because this is the daytime and I wanted a little of lighter shade and a little of matte finish. So I'm applying a little of rose powder onto my lips and then really pat them well. So this is one of the tips. When you find your lipstick is too dark, or even if you want to make it a matte finish look, then you can apply this and see, here it is. It completely turned into a different color. So this is it, guys. Let me quickly go and change.
Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through what I have lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days it takes.
Thanks for watching the video, and please do not forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Stay blessed, take care, and wish you all a very prosperous Pongal and Makar Sankranti. Bye bye.